looking a mess, but we gonna make her look right. What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a hair tutorial. I asked you guys in my community tab what hairstyle y'all want to see, and y'all said braids. So here I am with a braided hair tutorial. So I went ahead and I sectioned my hair in 3 parts. I have the air to air, and I have the back, and I'm gonna do 3 rows of singles, and then I'm gonna cornrow the front as you saw in the beginning. So I'm gonna start off with this one. So there is a way to braid the hair and you don't get the knot, and this is my way of doing it. So technically they're like knotless braids, but you're not starting off with your own hair, you just starting off with the braids, and it does not have a knot. As you can see, you won't get the knot look. So this is how I normally do my braids, and this is how I pretty much do all my braids. So I go ahead and I braid it down, and then I added 2 small strands to the ends just to get the length, and that's pretty much what I did here. Okay, so right here I'm just showing how you feed in the hair. So I'm taking a small piece and then I'm just braiding it in a little bit, and then I'm gonna add another piece. That's just gonna give it like a nice even look without it looking like extremely bulky in one area. So that's a little tip for you guys when you're braiding. Add small pieces and then continue braiding, and then add your other pieces. So that's pretty much it. I'm finished with the back, and the back took a little while because I did it so long, so it took some time, and trying to part it, I think that's what took me the most time, trying to part my own hair. It's really a struggle. So I'm moving on to the front of my hair. Okay, so I'm onto the front, and the front is going to be super easy because I'm doing cornrows. So I went ahead and I parted my middle part, and then it's easier for me to do the sides first rather than doing the middle braid first. Usually it's easier for me to do the middle braid if I'm doing someone else's hair first and then do the sides, but in this case it was just easier for me to do the sides first. So I started off with a little bit of my hair, and then I went ahead and gradually added some small pieces. And that's usually how I do the cornrows, to just give them like a natural cornrow, a natural cornrow look without being too bulky or whatever. So that's pretty much how I did the front. And yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I got some more videos for you guys. Plan on doing some more little reaction. Y'all know I like to watch those scratch videos. Definitely go and check those out. But yes, continue watching. Dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say
'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I cannot.
And there you have it. I am all done. Here's the final look. I went ahead and I dipped it in some hot water. I put some mousse. I tried to lay my edges. I tied it down. And this is the final look. I'd say it's pretty worth it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And once again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video. Bye. True.